Hey guys, in this section, I'll show you how to use brand nodes to make your results more consistent with your brand. Instead of repeating your brand style in every prompt, you can define it once here and reuse it across your workflow. First, add a node and choose Brand System. You don't need to fill everything, just focus on the parts that actually affect the output. In this example, I'll fill in 3 main sections. Start with Brand Context. Add your brand name and a short description. Then go to Brand Guidelines. This is where I define colors, lighting, and visual style. And lastly, I add visual references. So Barry's AI has a clear visual reference when generating. Now before we run, let's prepare the prompt for the image. We'll add a prompt helper. Here I'll use the GPT 5.2 mini model. And for the skill, I'll choose Brand Guidelines skill. Then we generate the prompt first. Once the prompt is ready, connect all the brand system nodes to the prompt helper. Next, we move to the image generator. Drag from the output and select an image node. Here you can adjust the model, aspect ratio, and quality based on your needs. Now let's run it. And here you can see the result already follows the brand style we defined earlier. The colors feel more consistent, the lighting is softer, and overall it looks cleaner and more natural. So instead of repeating your brand in every prompt, you just define it once here. The more clear and specific your inputs are, the better your results will be. And that's how you use brand nodes in Barry's AI. See you in the next tutorial.